Ever spent hours fixing messy spreadsheets only to do it all over again next week? What if I told you there's a feature that remembers every cleaning step and does it for you automatically? That's the power of Power Query. It's Excel's built-in data transformation tool, designed to automate cleaning, shaping, and preparing your data. By the end of this video, you'll see how one setup can save you hours every single week. Here's our raw CSV dataset. Notice how it's messy. Columns are separated by semicolons, product and customer names are combined, and reference numbers mix regions with IDs. This structure isn't ready for analysis, so let's clean it. Step 1. Loading data. I've opened a new worksheet. From the Data tab, I'll choose Get Data. From Folder, to connect to the Data folder. Step 2. Loading data in Power Query. Once connected, Power Query shows all files in the folder. We have 3 options: Combine, Load, or Transform Data. I'll choose Combine and Transform Data. Power Query automatically detects the CSV format, identifies the semicolon delimiter, and shows a preview of 20 rows with headers. The Product and Customer column combines product ID and customer name, and the Reference Number column mixes region and reference number. We'll fix that. Step 3. Cleaning and formatting. Now let's set up the cleaning steps. Power Query will remember them for automation. First, split the product and customer name column by delimiter. Power Query detects the underscore, so with one click, product ID and customer name are separated. Rename the columns. Next, split the reference number column by delimiter. Power Query detects the underscore. Rename the results as region and reference number. Remove unnecessary columns like source name. On the right side, you'll see Power Query recording each step. This is the automation in action. Format the rate and total sale columns as currency. Then order date and shipped date as proper dates. Finally, click Close and Load. Step 4. Automation. Here's the magic. Whenever you drop new CSV files into the connected folder, just hit Refresh. Excel runs all the Power Query steps in the background, and your data is instantly cleaned and updated in the sheet. No more repetitive manual work. See spreadsheets into clean, automated datasets. If this saved you time, subscribe for more quick Excel and Power Query transformations.